Hello, good morning, welcome back to Steevo was here. Another day in Zhenjiang, China. Today, I was supposed to be going to Shanghai, but I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to spend the day in Zhenjiang, explore the places that I haven't videoed before, and I had my drone with me, so I'll take my drone for a wee spin. Gonna go to Jinshan Park. It's got like a temple and lots of lakes and whatnot. It's really beautiful. And then I think after Jinshan I'm gonna head to Dashikou, which is like the area, the shopping area where all the stores are, and it's got the high what do you call it, the skyscrapers. There we go. Got all the skyscrapers and the buildings and lights and whatnot, so I'll take my drone out there for a spin. Should make for a good video, so that's the plan today. First things first, I'm gonna go grab some dumplings because I am fucking starving. That's the plan now. Just gonna go grab my e-bike and then head over to Jinshan Temple. Let's go. Yeah, there she is. So I have this little setup where I like hang it from my window and charge it because I'm a genius.我要一份牛肉饺子。对啊。21。我可以给你25吗？你给我4元。好的，谢谢。微信支付收款25元。谢谢。我来了。Got my bike has been outside my apartment charging for the last 2 days, and then I just realised it hasn't been charging at all. It's just been sitting there good enough. So I had to take the room for 4 kwai so that I could put it in these wee machines that are like all over the city. You just plug your bike in and it charges. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, Jinshan Park, let's go. Well, made it to Jinshan, got my ticket. Let's go in, see what it's all about. Man, this place is amazing. The temple is absolutely huge. Look at this. It's massive, and there's still loads more over here. I think there's like a big bell tower that you can get up. That's what I'm trying to find, but I don't know where it is. I'm just sort of wandering around seeing if I can find it. That's what I'm on the lookout for. No, that's not. It's not that way. I'll head back to the way I came. Wow. It's crazy, man. So I'm gonna go find this big bell. Oh, there it is. You can see. There's a top out there, that's where I'm heading. Alright, let's go.
So many stairs. Everybody's, they do this thing where there's like those lions on the wall and they have to throw some money up and try and get it in the mouth of the lion for good luck. Obviously I would do it the first time, but you know, there's no point to hold the camera and film me, so there's no point doing it, is there? I believe there's like a big sort of field, or like a patch of grass around here. I think I might be lost again. And there's like a big field or massive bit of grass, and I want to try and set my drone up, fly my drone around to get some footage, because honestly I don't think the footage I'm getting really gives this place justice to just how beautiful it actually is. So I'm going to try and set my drone up down here. Yeah, I'm definitely lost again. Alright, let's try and find this path. Yeah, found it. Alright, got it set up. Let's do this. Beautiful, man, absolutely fucking beautiful. Now I'm going to jump back in the bike, head to Dashikou. I do a bit of editing from yesterday's video on Steevo anyway. Jumping out of bike, head to Dashikou, do a bit of editing, and then it should be time to get the drone out, take a wee video of Dashikou. Let's go. Alright, so editing done, and now I'm here in Dashikou. It's night, all the lights are out, so one of the coolest things about Dashikou is that it's called like International Famous Street or something. So it's like you go underground and there's just like a mile long stretch of shops and cafes and whatnot. So this is what Dashikou looks like at night. Well, that was Dashikou and the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Exploring Zhenjiang, Jinshan Park and Dashikou. So as always, remember to like, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!